Who doesn't love jetting off to exotic destinations and staying in beautiful resorts and hotels, making unforgettable memories with friends and family, or even embarking on an exciting solo trip? But let's face it, finding a great deal can be a challenge. Those major travel websites spend a fortune on advertising, and guess who foots the bill? You too. Wouldn't it be great if you could bypass all that and access exclusive wholesale rates? That's where Travel Advantage comes into play, an invitation-only membership program that's changing the game. Travel Advantage has negotiated discounts of up to 80% off published prices by leveraging their worldwide membership base. And as the community grows, so do your savings. With Travel Advantage, you're guaranteed the lowest prices, no more endless searching online. Your member portal unlocks a world of possibilities, with nearly 2 million hotels, resorts, flights, cruises, car rentals, and more, all at exclusive member-only prices. And let's not forget your very own shopping mall. Think of it like a duty-free outlet, where you can snag amazing deals on top brands. And the perks don't stop there. Every time you book, you earn travel credits. Accumulate these and use them to pay for your next getaway, whether it's a shopping spree in New York, a beach holiday in the Balearics, or a cruise in the Caribbean. We are all about celebrating loyalty. Every month when your subscription renews, you will earn loyalty points. These points are your ticket to unlocking even bigger savings on your future purchases. So why wait? Start living life to the fullest and become a Travel Advantage member. Click on the link to learn more about the different memberships and get started today, or DM Travel for more info.